guys, we are here with Austin from WorldHarvest. Hey Austin, our company been working together with WorldHarvest for the past maybe over 10 years now. Can you share a little bit more about what is WorldHarvest and what is it that you guys do and how does our partnership work?
Absolutely, Rudy. WorldHarvest is a 503c nonprofit humanitarian aid organization that focuses on disaster relief and sponsorship for children in impoverished and underdeveloped areas. Without WorldHarvest work, some children in our program would never have the opportunity to go to school and break out of the cycle of poverty that they've been in. Recently, as of last month, we partnered with your company to do a medical camp in Nepal. Nepal is a really poor country near China, and most of the people that live there do agriculture. They have very little money and they have very little access to health care. So our team, through our partnership with you, thank you so much for helping, was able to treat common medical problems that some of the populace may face and help the people have a better quality of life there. Currently, we've graduated over 800 kids from our program, and right now we're sponsoring another 700 currently in the program. Wow. We sponsor children all over the world, from Sierra Leone to Pakistan to Indonesia.
And you went to Pakistan last
Yes,
can you
in
share
March.
your experience?
Yes, absolutely.
2 months ago?
2 months ago in March.
What do you see right there on the ground?
I gotta say, in Pakistan, it's very hot, it's very dusty. Our community that we sponsor children in is a Sikh minority in the country. Pakistan is a majority Muslim country, and the other religious minorities that live there, such as the Hindu and Sikh people, they're discriminated against. We have a school that helps the Sikh children go and get an education where they wouldn't otherwise be able to, 1, afford it, or 2, be discriminated and not be allowed to be in a regular school.
And that's why we are partnering up with WorldHarvest, is because you guys you don't just give money to people, right? What you are doing is that you are sponsoring. When we say sponsoring, you are talking about education.
Right. We educate children and we help develop communities. For example, we try to raise up a whole village when we can. For example, in Africa, in Sierra Leone, we bought a water pump in the town of Gabang Bayela, where children and mothers would have to walk up to 3 miles per day just to fetch water so they could shower and drink from. So with this water pump, there's no need to walk miles and miles every day to get water and come back. The community has access to clean drinking water.
And you have like microfinance program to help with the
Yes, we do. Yes, in Nepal we have a microfinance program that funds a catfish farm and allows the people to harvest the catfish, which they also utilize the catfish waste to fertilize their fields too. It's a self-sustaining program that feeds the populace.
Right, so there's a difference between giving somebody money, because that's not healthy.
Right, when you give someone money, they're going to become dependent on you. Right. What we want to do is give people opportunities so that they can help themselves. And that's what we do through WorldHarvest. Yes, absolutely.
All right, guys, thank you so much. So we are on a mission here to help more with WorldHarvest, here to do more. So for every house that we sell this year, we are on a mission to raise $25,000 to help kids here with WorldHarvest.